This area seem pretty determined to stay here. In fact, we ran into June and Nick right here who say they're not going anywhere. They haven't even boarded up their homes. Nick, you've been here for 30 years. You admit you haven't seen anything like this, but here you are. Tell me why.
Why would I leave? I moved to the beach to see this. So this is going to be exciting. It's a little scary, but more exciting than scary.
The mayor, other city officials have been telling you guys, look, whatever you do, don't stay. So tell me why, you're so tied to your home.
Well, I love being here. The whole idea of living here is to be on the beach. And when you see Mother Nature doing things like that, it's got to be exciting.
And June, you admitted to me you are very nervous. Tell me what you're nervous about now that you've seen the wave.
Well, I'm more nervous about losing power and how many days it'll be out because we didn't last year. We were saved by that. But this year it seems like it's going to be a lot worse. And so I don't know what's expected. I stayed because of my cats. So, and all the neighbors did stay this year. Last year, most of them left. They are here. So, I mean, we're all here together. I think we'll be okay.
You mentioned that you were a little worried, mostly about trying to find something to do for the next 2 days.
I am. The gyms are closed.
The gyms are closed, but they can run around out here. But all